So lovely, so you are welcome back to the continuation of the video. You can see I'm going there right now to work. We are on a new site. You can see someone top there too, hitting someone hard over there. Yeah, that is the master. So we are at the site. So I'm going to carry some.
Hey, sister, oh, yeah, busy, are you, woman?
Oh, Berima. It is not easy job. Seriously, it is not easy job.
Hey!
Hey! It is not easy job for me. Easy. So guys, can you in my see where he's pushing the tent to? So it is not easy job. So if you get someone to build a machine, don't be saying it is too much expensive, it is too much expensive. Just take a look. Look around. That is people's plot too that they are coming to start building. So you are welcome to Abofo new area. Hey. That is our elder brother to top there. So it is not small job at all, lovely people. So yeah, can you let me know what you think about this video? Have you ever done this job before? Can you let me know in the comment section? How was your experience? Was it hard or how was it? Can you let me know? Yeah, for the blocks it is ready. So they are now coming to mix mortar. So they have to fetch these stones. So we have big woman here. She is tied. We were the one who was fetching the water. So see them. She is tied like that. Then men at work. Lovely people, can you let me know what you think about how they are working? They are very hard working guys. Can you imagine? La for it. So after he done filling, then that guy will also push it and then he will take it all the way to that side to pour it over there because they are now coming to mix it with cement. Yeah. So can you let me know what you think about this environment? Very clean and beautiful. So yeah. Hey brother, can you show me video? So that is the master. Yeah, he knows the job well. So this is where they are coming to mix the mortar. Yeah, or concrete. Hey, concrete. Is it concrete or what? You can see. I'm just loving the air, how it's blowing. So cool. So you can see that is people over there too. Very beautiful. People are really building big mansions here, seriously. And I'm just loving the environment, yeah. So can you let me know what you think? Lovely people. If you have watched this point, I really appreciate you a lot, and I would like to end my video here. So yeah, actually we have fetched the water like 3 jerry tank, and they haven't used it yet. They have used some, but it hasn't finished yet. So if it has finished, we will go and fetch another one. So yeah, we are just taking our rest, and I was like, why not, let me just take you guys around and show you guys what they are actually doing. So yeah, can you let me know if you like this type of content? Mecha. Mecha blocks no. O de do na se na beba. Bala. Amazing. Wow. So he's now to set it, you can see. Sharif, take it easy, Sharif. So yeah guys, this is how we mold our blocks in Africa here. Kindly let me know. And here is the blocks machine. So this one, they have already mixed the cement with the sand. So you can see how they are doing it. It's not easy. Very difficult work.
We press it like this.
Can you imagine? You have to press it for the thing to be full. You do pie. English is not our language. Yambele, Charlie. So yeah guys, you see, after that, can you imagine? Mashallah. So he will take it, then he'll go and put it there. So this is how we do it. So it is not small job, actually. See? Hey, dear some now, what are you saying? Talk. Can say hello. Hello. Allah. So if you have watched this point, I really appreciate you, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Yeah. So this is part of the other video that I was videoing. We are the same person. Hey, get down. You fell down. You fall down. You fall down. This is part the video that we were fetching the water. They are also there. So it's part of this job. So see you guys in my next video.